Welcomer to the Uniguru, your trusted immigration partner. The UK's new migration rules are reshaping what settlement means for millions living, studying, and working in Britain. These changes mark one of the biggest shifts in decades, turning settlement from a routine pathway into something that must now be earned. The traditional 5-year journey to indefinite leave to remain is being replaced with a tougher 10-year model that can stretch up to 20 years for anyone who has used public benefits. Over 2.6 million people who arrived after 2021 will now face longer, more conditional settlement timelines. Refugees will see their protection reviewed every 2.5 years, making asylum a temporary, continuously reassessed status. These policies are driven by political pressure to reduce net migration and restore public confidence in the system. At the same time, the government wants to attract high-value workers, offering faster settlement routes for NHS staff, entrepreneurs, and key contributors. Universities, employers, and migrants now face growing uncertainty as long-term planning becomes more difficult. Together, these reforms signal a shift towards a system that rewards economic contribution while tightening access to permanent residency. The UK is entering a new era of conditional migration where every step towards settlement carries more weight. For migrants, students, and employers, understanding these rules is essential for planning the future. Stay informed, stay prepared, and follow our channel for the latest updates on UK immigration changes.